Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Hu. From today, I'm going to start making a series of videos about how to review Calculus AB and the BC content in less than a month. So it should be benefit for everybody who is going to take the test next month. Okay. So today, I'm going to talk about the part one, about the time, how we use the time appropriately to correct the test. So first, in calculus AB and the BC test, we have two sections. One is multiple choices, one is the free responses. So in the multiple choices, there are two portions. One is a calculator part and one is non-calculator part. So from my experience, the non-calculator part from question 1 to question 10 are comparatively easy. So it's about 2 minutes per question if you calculate it. But these 10 questions probably gonna only take you about 5 minutes. So please save the time for the rest harder problems because in calculus tests, they start from the easy, just like your SAT, start easy, then going hard. All right. So don't spend too much time in the front. Okay. Then the 15 question for calculator, it says calculator allowed, but it doesn't necessarily you have to use it. So for example, those graphing questions, finding derivative, finding integral, you don't have to use a calculator. So that's how you're gonna spare your time in each questions. Okay. All right. The second part of the free responses. This part is very, very important. Why? I had some students before, like they are not really doing so well in the multiple choices, but they do really well in free responses. They're still getting a 5 at the result because the free responses sections, they give partial credits. And each question have 3 to 4 small questions. So it doesn't mean like, oh, I cannot solve the last one. It's pretty hard. It's about Taylor series. Okay, but you can answer number one, number two, number three. So they all give you partial credits. That's very important. So the test is a cumulative test, right? So we only care the final result. So please answer every single questions. Even you stuck a little bit, doesn't matter. Just move on to the next one. Okay? So this is about how to arrange the time. The second part I want to talk about is the historical data. So we know the AP test being a long historical tracking. So how much we actually need on during the real test to achieve a full credit, which is 5, it's about 65 to 68%. Yeah, you're not wrong. You get a D plus or a C, you secure a full credits on your AP score. So it does not mean you have to get 80%, 90%, more than an 8. No, you just need to get a C. So calm down. It's definitely doable. The historical data says, oh, it's only 20% people getting a 5. Okay. The 20% people, they're going to include all students. They take the class. They don't want to participate it. They don't want to practice the test. They just go there blindly and take it, right? There's a lot of people like that. So I don't believe you are one of them while you're reading this video, right? So we gonna just review with me every day for a couple of minutes. I'm going to talk about some questions as well in the future. All right. So every day, couple minutes, we can do it. All right. So same as calculus BC. But someone gonna ask me, hey, Mr. Wu, why calculus BC has 40% people more than calculus AB? AB is supposed to be easier. Well, the problem is in the United States, people take the AB first, who actually pass more than a 4, they are willing to take the BC. That's why the BC 5 percentage is much higher than the calculus AB. It doesn't mean BC is comparatively easier. Okay. All right. So, well, follow me and let you get that 5, even just for 1 month left. Thanks for watching.